How to find card number on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find card number on Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app just like you can see here. Here, there are many different options with icons that you can use to navigate or get access to different features of the app. From them, the one we need is the one with the card icon. It is found here at the bottom section of the screen. Tap on it. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This page has several options that you can apply on your Cash App card. The card information normally appears somewhere here, such as the card number, expiry date, and CVV number. As you can see, the information is hidden because the Cash App provides a feature for handling your card information for security reasons. So, if you want to view the information, first make sure you have not locked your card just like the one here. If your card is locked, then tap on this toggle button to unlock it. After that, move to the card section at the top and then tap on this eye icon. When it is enabled, the card information is hidden. After you tap on it, the card information will be revealed, and then you can copy it or use it. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find card number on Cash App.